Okay, game 3 is our paper aeroplane target game. For this, you're going to need to make a big target board. You can either use cardboard and paint it and put your numbers near the targets for the amount of points you'll score, or you can just make it out of paper and then you can discard it after you've finished with it. I like to use cardboard, paint it and decorate it, because then you can put it aside and you can then get it out again another time and reuse it. So in order to play the game, you all need your own paper aeroplane. So I've made a couple here, a larger one at A4, and you've also got some little ones just made out of A5. So I'll quickly show you how to make a paper aeroplane. You fold the paper in half, open it out, fold down one corner, and then turn it around and fold down the other corner. You're going to then need to bring that back into the centre and turn around and bring the other side into the centre. Put the aeroplane together, and then you're just going to make your wings. So fold one side down and then turn it around and fold the other side down. This is the easiest way to make a paper aeroplane, but I'm sure if you've got some other great ideas, you can make even fancier ones. So that's a basic one. Right, so to actually play the game, you're going to need some markers to stand by. You might want to put the markers closer to the target if you're younger. If you want more of a challenge, you might want them further away. So what you're going to do is you've got your aeroplane, stand by the target. I'm going to have a go and see if I can get it through. Nope, I missed. So if you miss, you don't score any points, and it's just the next person's turn. But if you scored a point, so let's see if I can score this time. We score a point, yes, scored 3 points that time. So now what I get to do is roll the dice. I roll the dice and I've got 2. So I look onto the board and we've got different forfeits that your other players have to do if you score. So I rolled a 2, I look at the board and they have to do 5 squats. So I'm just going to run through, there's 6 different forfeits that your players are going to have to do, and I'll just quickly show you what those forfeits are so you know. So they're going to have to do sit-ups. So you'd have to do 5 sit-ups if you scored number 1. I won't show you all of those. If you rolled and you got a 2, you're going to have to do 5 squats. So 5 of these. If you rolled the dice and it was a 3, they would have to do 10 bunny hops. If they rolled the dice and they got a 4, they'd have to do 10 heel kicks. If they roll the dice and they got a 5, they have to hold the plank for the count of 10. And last one, they rolled and they got a 6, they would have to do lunges, 5 lunges. Okay, right, enjoy the game, have lots of fun, and I hope you manage to win.